How do I get different shapes, different designs in my hat making? Welcome to MJC Creativity. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always watching our video. Thank you for all you are doing on this channel. So we are starting a series that is called How Well Do You Know Your Millinery Material, which is art material. So like what I'm putting on, this is beautiful activator that I'm putting on. So we'll be looking at different things that we need to use, different materials that we use in making hats. And in today's video, we'll be looking at mold blocks. So mold crafted plank that is crafted into different shapes and sizes for us to get different designs of hats. So example is what I'm holding. This is mold. So we have them in different shapes, different sizes, and different shape and sizes. Anything that you want, any pattern of hat that you want to make is the mold that you will use. So you can see this one is a round shape, you can see. So if you use this mold now, this is the shape of the hat that you will get. This is the shape of the hat that you will get. Then you can see this is another one. You can see this one is higher than this one. Okay, they are two round. Okay, so this is another one. This one has a curve shape. It has a curve shape, and I have another one here. You can see this one is like it has a crown and brim, like something I'm putting on, like these hats that I'm putting on. They are molded together. Okay, we have something like that too. So mold is very important when you are in hat making. It's very, very important. So as we progress in our journey of hat making, can try and be getting them one after the other. I have other ones in the house. I have other one in the workshop. So I have different types, and I'm still trying to get more. So thank you for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel and like, comment, share to your loved ones. Thank you. See you in my next video. Thank you.